Hello friends, in this video I'll explain you the interpretation of independent sample t-test when we apply this with the help of SPSS. So in this video I'm going to explain you the interpretation of the output of SPSS for independent sample t-test. The very first table of independent sample t-test from SPSS is group statistics. In this table, you can see the height is our dependent variable, gender is independent variable with its two labels male and female. N is the sample size for male and female. Then mean for male height and the female height is this. This is the standard deviation of male's height and this is the standard deviation of female's height. And this is the standard error of mean. The second table of SPSS output is based on the independent samples t-test. So in this table, we have to firstly see the Levin's test F value and this is 2.229 and its corresponding significant value is 0.147. So when the Levin's test significant value is less than 0.05, in that case we will assume that there is no equal variance existing between the two groups or two levels, that is male and female. But here the significant value is greater than 0.05. So we can say that equal variances exist between the two groups of gender, that is male and female. So when this condition exists, so you have to go to this particular row and we have to take the value of this t. So here we will see the t value would be 4.479 with degree of freedom 28 and the p value is 0.000, which is less than 0.05. So we can conclude here that for independent sample t-test, the t value is 4.479 with degree of freedom 28 and p is less than 0.05. So therefore we are rejecting the null hypothesis and we are stating that there is significant difference in the height of male and female. So this way we can conclude this. Now further, the next table will indicate us the mean difference value and this is the positive value. So in this particular independent sample t-test, the first group is male and the second group is female. So that is why we can say that this is the difference between the male's height and the female's height. So we can say that the male's height is more than the female's height because this mean difference is positive. Now 95% confidence interval of the difference indicates us that whether the t-test is significant or not. Although we have already told this thing with the help of this p-value, but to strengthen the results, we can also report these values. So here we have to report these value, that is the 95% confidence interval of the difference. Lower limit is 0.1526 and upper is 0.4099. So when there is no zero existing between these two, means when both the lower and the upper values are either positive or negative, so we can say that the whatever test we are reporting, that is significant. So now we can write the interpretation as there is a significant difference in the mean height between male and female. And the t value for 28 degree of freedom is 4.479 and the p value is less than 0.05. So here we can say this thing that the average height of males is 0.2813 inches more than female. So thank you friends. I hope this video will help you to understand the interpretation of independent samples t-test. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Dr. Chanchal Jain. Also please like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you. Happy learning to all.